Ah ha 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 ha. I just woke up and I'm... Can I... Before I start today... Can I eat a banana? I don't know, maybe eating right before exercising might not be a good idea. But when you think about it, usually you would have lunchtime before recess, right? So let me just eat this banana real quick. It's not a really huge banana. Excuse me. I just need my calories before I do this. Otherwise, I might faint. Oh. Yep. They say that you're not supposed to, keep bananas in the refrigerator because it becomes, really dark. But wrap each one up tightly, in like a plastic bag, or even I think kitchen wrap might work too. I don't know. I use the really tiny plastic bags. Wrap it up tightly, and then you can just put it in the fridge. It won't turn dark for quite a while. I think I put this banana in the fridge like how many days ago? Probably a week ago. It still doesn't look that dark.